lot of gym members. I'm like,
you're
fucking.
definitely right.
Yeah, I got nothing on Yellow Jacket. Let's see about Phantom. I'm gonna be using that one a lot, so I'll catch definitely something cool.
Is that where you want the route?
Well, no, yeah, I'm gonna try to do.
I got plenty of routes, bro.
Yeah, I missed that calm day. I was pouting.
Me and Vic were there.
I know.
You had a lucky one last night, though.
Yeah,
No,
but I want the route, the
Gallade,
mail,
right.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, it's a good fighter for Blissies too. The psychic
That
freaking
is a
shit.
good idea. Yeah,
And
for
yesterday I
Blissies
went
for
to
sure.
the bagel spot. We was eating in the morning. I got my second Dynamax lucky.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
That's Dynamax too. Nice.
Because I
Yeah.
was right at the bagel place and it was there. I wasn't even.
I told
gonna
you
do
you'd get him. It just takes so
I
fucking long.
caught that one at Tropical Smoothie, like that one spot that's over there.
Yeah.
And then I
second
was
one I
hunting for the
liked.
Squirtle, but I can't get the motherfucker, bro.
And the shiny
That's why I went all the way over there.
Oh, I saw
Yeah,
that.
that was cool. That
I
was
saw that.
really cool.
I really haven't gotten much shiny since then.
Yeah.
Not since
Yeah, the shinies feel like they've been slow lately.
Do you have a Scraggy? That's basically your only fucking option on this one too.
Lucky Scraggy.
The lucky shiny Scraggy. Everything else is just the calm day shit, and I can tell which ones are traded because look at all the luckies I get.
Yep.
I trade myself luckies. Yeah, the Scraggy is the only fucking thing.
Oh, yeah,
or if you
Scraggy's
want to
cool.
freaking, I don't know.
Nope.
Ryman maybe? Nope. I traded all these from Guppetmaster. So it kind of still lives. The name's still there.
Right. Not good.
I could give you a Grimy or a Scraggy.
I got a shiny Scrafty.
There you go. You can get both of them. Oh, but you already involved it, and you're
I don't got the little one.
the new ones. Oh, you do have the little one shiny? Oh, that's a bigger one.
That's the big one.
Yeah, the little one's gonna be good though. What's the stats on that one? That you evolved.
They're bad.
Oh yeah. So you'll have a backwards one. It's okay. Jackie calls this one a nutsack because it's got.
These are more like a novelty anyway.
Exactly. Yeah, if you don't mind, let's do that big game. You'll have a lucky little midget. Oh, I just had enough Stardust on this one too. Yeah.
Special trade of the day.
The routes. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, I can't. I already made a special trade. My fucking bad. Oh my god.
You traded it to Vickle?
No, I think I was doing something with my other accounts. Alright, oh well, we'll do that on another day. It's better to wait till I get a shiny that's actually worthy anyway. We know we can do the Scraggy if anything else fails, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
It just depends if Vickle did a special trade.
Yeah, we finally got a lucky out of nowhere yesterday. Like, it wasn't even a lucky friend thing, it was just random.
Aurora time Dialga.
That'd be sick.
He's never had enough money.
Oh, yeah.
Vickle, you got enough money?
He's over there somewhere.
Vickle, you got enough money? Because I didn't make a special trade, so he didn't make it.
Oh, yeah, true.
The other ones were good.
You want to do the one by the school first, or that's probably a better idea.
Yeah, because then you're back in normal territory.
Yeah.
Go out of the territory first.
Yeah, we're gonna hit the one by the school first. Yeah, these kids like to kiss that freaking.
Just trade me, Vickle. Just give me a...
Oh yeah.
What do you got for that?
He wants to
That's
trade you
fine.
instead because I already did a special trade.
Really? Oh, tomorrow you could do 2.
Oh, word, that's true. Nice for alligator, by the way. I love that one.
I threw it in there.
Hell yeah. I took over my mom's account that was from fucking 2016, and she's got 2 of those. I just gotta wait till I'm good friends with her.
I don't got a shiny one power, but I do have a regular one with power.
Oh, okay.
Time stop.
That's what he wants. Yeah, that's. But watch it. It's good for the incense, but it is a resource waster if you don't use it right.
True. I don't know if you know the red
the Palkia too. It's just for a little bit more radius. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. If you're in a city, it's worth it. If like, but it's just a little bit more fucking catches for like a lot more Stardust. So. Oh yeah, the time one is good to hunt for the birds, the Galarian birds. You could just freeze it. You freeze it for as long as you want. Like YouTubers do it all the time. They do the 24 hours challenge.
We could try though.
I did the same, but now I'm waiting to fucking upgrade, and like by the summer I'll just upgrade everything.
I daily trading limit because I was in here trading myself last night.
I did the same shit. All the trading limit shit.
Yeah. How much is it?
That's 100. You
Damn,
did 100 trades.
yesterday? Goddamn.
Yeah, I did the same with all my XXLs and XX smalls. I made like so many Burmese and so many lucky fucking.
Yeah, I got the Burmese.
I got lucky. Yeah.
What am I supposed to do with these 500 rookies I've been saving?
Yo,
we'll trade those.
This fucking guy.
Rutinis I saved, rookies I saved.
I'm surprised to have those guys.
Rookie D for sure. I need those
I
bastards.
get a candy that if you dismantle it, you also.
True. But I don't know what I could trade you in return for that. I don't have much.
Well, like
Yeah, but I only caught like one Rookie D myself.
you have to catch at least one to become a special.
Yeah, no, I already have one. Yeah, that was before I got banned.
Like, you just go for the quantity. Eventually, one of them will go up.
True.
You take like 20 of them.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't utilize the trading mechanics. Now that I don't have the main account, I'm using it, and it's
It's so helpful.
it's bouncing out, and I'm utilizing all my level 40s and like right under. So instead of having one major OP account, I got like my power spread.
And then what I'll do is
Oh, you got your egg and shit popped? Let's hit the birds while you can still grab. You'll get double Stardust too, so that'll be good.
Party with Vikram.
Oh yeah, I'm in. Hold on. It's the
You're
2K.
the
I'm the host. Yeah. It's a 2K right now, and that's actually perfect because we'll walk. We'll
How long
drive.
has Vikram been in the party? It only gets 3 hours. And then
It's only like 20 minutes.
yeah. What the hell's the party challenge anyways? Oh, walk?
Yeah, the walk.
Oh, good
But
thing I've been walking back and forth.
We probably if you go out of radius, freaking.
Yeah, stop. I noticed that.
We gotta follow him because like he's gonna be out of the. Look at us! I want to take a screenshot.
Pretty far. 2 kilometers.
Yeah, look at this. We got 3 of them now. The Instinct Masters.
Yo, I just saw something cool. I'm gonna do something cool later. I'm gonna show you.
Hell yeah. Yo, hit the one by the high school or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you something cool later.
God damn. I keep on getting booted out of this freaking account.
Dude, I just saw something.
Every time I switch out, it's like.
Yeah.
I forgot to grab my band glove. I don't know if it's 2K between all of us or we all gotta walk 2K.
No, we all just between all of us.
Okay.
Like the first.
Yeah, but if he goes out of the radius, we gotta stay next to him. Look at his weird little parachute.
And I was at Poppy Seeds, and we were still like almost back there.
Yeah, we gotta stay close to you. I love skitching. Hell yeah. I was thinking about doing that with the skates yesterday, but I'm not good enough.
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful.
I was like leaning on people's cars, they were like, get the fuck away from me. Yeah, the back lane will work. I can't tell which road connects. Oh, I can, okay. Look at him back there. The parachute pants. What's in your pants? What the fuck? Oh yeah.